kickstand up.
I don't want to. I don't want to. I can't just sit here.
You can.
I thought you put it back down.
No. Alright, so this turns it on.
Okay.
When the lights come on, it's ready to go.
And
So-
you do this?
Oh boy. This is
Wait,
good.
you do this?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
and then where's
and
the
if you want
brake?
it to stop, like to not have any more power, here, let's try it without that. Just feel that. So back is go, let it go, like snap to the, there you go. So,
That breaks the best because it's not the
okay, so,
And then what are you saying?
I'm just saying.
When you let go, does it slow
It
down?
slows you way down.
Okay.
You don't, without the brakes, it's back on. Then those are the brakes just like on your bike. This is the back one, that's the front. Just try it. You don't have to do the course yet, just ride
Alright, I'll give it a try, but I'm really scared.
it. and don't scooch way back because the back's just a fender.
Well, I don't have anywhere to put my feet.
Just start walking
I
with
can't
it.
even keep my
just,
balance.
just start, use the motor and start walking with it. There you go. This is dangerous. I have a saying, anytime a mom gets on a motorcycle, well, it makes for good TV, but it doesn't end well. It's not that hard, is it?
No, it's a little different.
Alright, you want to try the course?
I don't think I can do the
Oh, you can do it.
I don't think I can.
Just try. All right,
No.
okay, how about
Good idea.
just get back a little?
Can you ever go backwards?
Yeah. And just weave through these.
I know I can't. I don't
Oh,
like
yes, you
turning
can.
left for some reason.
You can do it.
I don't think I can.
Andrea, Andrea, Andrea.
Oh man. I don't know why.
That was terrible. Come on, you can do it. Get yourself lined up. I'll stay back here away from
I
you.
only like to go this way. I can't see.
You
the
don't have to
turn.
get real wide. You can just serpentine them real tight.
I'm just telling you.
Go.
like this.
So you better watch.
Yeah, just like that. Watch out, she may kill you. Get yourself lined up over there and come back through.
I don't like it.
Just do it.
I don't want it.
You can do it. Go all the way down, get lots of room. All right, I'm gonna keep this camera on in case this goes crazy.
I don't want to.
Just do it.
Do it. All right, here she comes.
Want to.
I do a lot of things I don't want to.
But I can't.
Your fans are gonna be disappointed. She's not as tough as you thought. Now, how is that lined up? Get yourself perpendicular to that there obstacle. And be sure to make it as difficult as you can. All I have to say is, what you doing there? There, that's better. Start there and just go in right there.
I will tell you how I'm doing
All right, here we go. She's sweating, I can tell.
this. I don't like this bike. I don't like it. Okay, you're awesome.
Good.
Y'all gonna think I'm a terrible driver and I'm not.
Good, now come around and go down. Whoa! Whoa, easy.
I did it. Enough. I did one serpentine.
You did it. All right, let's turn it off before you hurt someone.
Ah,
Okay.
Saul. I'm so proud of you.
I thought you
You're
were
an
gonna hit
awesome rider.
All right,
I'm not gonna
well,
smack you.
how did it go?
Terrible.
Was it fun?
No.
He makes it look easy, doesn't he?
Yeah.
You want to ride Big Blue?
No. He's not even paying attention.
He's putting his kill switch back on. Now he's gonna show off, so he might wreck. He's not as good as we make him sound.
Oh, he's pretty good. Look at him.
That's pretty good.
Wow.
You're better than your mom by a long shot, but we still love you.
Thanks. I'm better at gardening than you.
True.
So it's Father's Day weekend, so the boys are just playing with their toys. They set up an each other and I guess having little races. Woo, good job. You almost had it. Oh! So Seth is upset that Saul beat him. And he's scared he's the shortest because his bike is smaller. So this should be interesting. That's cute.
What was it? 29.32. That's within like couple hundredths of a second.
Oh, it's so close.